As you get older, you may find yourself feeling more out of touch with your money than you used to. With increased responsibilities, lifestyle changes, and more complex financial plans, it can be harder to stay on top of your finances. It's good to understand that you are not alone, and there are some good reasons to feel like that, such as rent or mortgage, car repayments, or childcare. And lastly, taking on more responsibilities, it may become easier to build up debt, such as credit card debt, that requires careful management. It's never too late to take control of your finances. Here are some quick tips on how to create a plan that fits your needs. Number 1, set financial goals. Take the time to identify short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals for your finances. This will help you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Good examples of long-term financial plans include investing for retirement and setting aside money for your children's education. Good examples of short-term financial plans include creating a budget and tracking spending to see where you can cut back. The most common short-term financial goal is to pay off debt. Paying off debt can help free up money for other financial goals, and it can also improve your credit score. Setting financial goals is an important step for achieving financial success. Start by brainstorming your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial goals. Be realistic about what you want to accomplish, and don't be afraid to dream big. Once you have your goals set, create a plan of action that breaks it up into milestones on the way. 2. Track your spending. Track your spending to get an idea of where your money is going and help you find ways to save. The best way to track your spending is to create a budget and review it regularly. A budget will help you allocate where your money should go and help you identify expenses that may need to be cut. Additionally, tracking your spending can be made easier by utilizing a budget app or software. Tracking your spending has many benefits, including helping you stay in control of your finances, identify unnecessary expenses, and reach your financial goals. It also gives you a better understanding of your spending habits, which can help you budget more effectively and save more money. 3. Build an emergency fund. There are 3 major reasons why an emergency fund is considered so important. 1. An emergency fund can help you cover unexpected expenses without going into debt. 2. An emergency fund gives you the peace of mind that if something unexpected happens, you are prepared. 3. An emergency fund can help you cover expenses if you lose a job or experience a financial crisis. To make an emergency fund, start by deciding how much you need to save. The size of your emergency fund should be determined by your financial goals and specific circumstances. Generally speaking, most financial experts agree that an emergency fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Consider your monthly expenses, such as rent, food, and utilities, and calculate how much you need to save to cover those costs for at least 3 months. Consider your budget and financial goals, then calculate how much you can comfortably save each month. Then, open a savings account or space specifically for your emergency fund and make regular deposits into it. You can also set up an automated transfer system so you don't have to manually transfer money each month. Finally, set reminders to check in on your emergency fund and make sure that you are still on track. 4. Reach out for help. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. There are financial advisors and planners who can help you create a financial plan. There are a variety of services available for those struggling with financial issues. Citizens Advice is a free UK-wide service that provides help on a variety of topics, including debt and money management. Furthermore, StepChange is a charity that provides free and independent debt advice. Other services, such as the National Debt Line and the Money Advice Service, also offer free and impartial money advice. The advantages of a good financial plan include improved money management and budgeting, increased savings, improved credit score, and reduced stress. A good financial plan allows you to set goals, track your progress, and make informed decisions about your finances. It can also help you identify potential problems and opportunities and create strategies to achieve those big money goals. For some more money management tips, check out the video over here. Hit the thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe for more financial tips every week. Thanks for watching. Bye.